Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Divya Crochet World. Today we are going to learn how to crochet butterflies. Initially, for round 1, you need to take, I took a 4.5 mm hook and a blue color yarn. You need to make a foundation chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A chain of 5. Next, you need to attach the first chain stitch to the last with a slip stitch. The next round, you need to do a chain of 4. After doing chain 4 into the middle ring, you need to do 2 treble crochets. For treble crochet, you need to yarn over twice and insert into the ring and pull out of the 2 loops and pull out of the 2 loops and pull out of the 2 loops. Again a triple crochet into the same ring. After completion of the 2 triple crochets, you need to again do a chain 4 and do a slip stitch in the ring. Repeat this step for 1 more time. Again do a chain of 4 and yarn over twice and do a 2 triple crochets into the same ring. Again yarn over twice and do a triple crochet into the same ring. And next do a chain 4 and do a slip stitch into the same ring. This is the completion of round 2. For round 3, you need to make a chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 chain and do a 2 double crochet into the ring. For 2 double crochet, you need to yarn over once and do a double crochet into the ring. Again yarn over once and do a double crochet into the ring. And then you need to do a chain 3 and do a slip stitch into the same ring. You need to repeat this step again 1 more time. Again you need to do a chain 3 and do 2 triple crochets, 2 double crochets into the ring. You need to do a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 and do a slip stitch into the same ring. This is the completion of round 3. Next, you need to cut the yarn, fasten it off. Cut the yarn and fasten it up and move the antenna by folding a scrap of yarn 3 times around the center of the body and tie a knot and your beautiful butterfly will be finished. Wrap it around the pink color yarn. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel at Divya Crochet World. Thank you for watching.